Hi everyone, welcome to ABC channel. Let's learn the ABC of the world. About 45 million years ago, a mysterious ancient civilization arose on Earth. At a time when there was no technology or advanced tools, they built about 10 amazing temples, including a pyramid that has never been solved. Some were built at the top of the temple with a height of about 72 meters. Others were built in 5 stages in an oval shape, with the highest being 43 meters high. Amazingly, these pyramids were not only built following the constellations of ancient Egypt, but also at 30 degrees north latitude like the pyramids of ancient Fu. In addition to temples, they also built numerous castles decorated with high walls and intricate stone carvings. Elaborate irrigation systems, strict urban planning and layout, and frescoes. This civilization has been so advanced in ancient times, the city of about 15 million people disappeared overnight without war, without disaster. They are Maya civilization. The Mayan prophecy, one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient Mayan civilization, predicted that the end of the world would come on December 21, 2012. This prediction sparked global interest and concern, but when 2012 passed without incident, many dismissed the prophecy as false. However, according to Mayan elders, the prophecy was not false but simply misunderstood. The world is still deeply intertwined with the ancient Mayan prophecy, and we must consider its implications for our future. Imagine traveling back in time to an era shrouded in mystery and intrigue, and searching for answers about the prophecy. According to the Mayan elders, December 21, 2012, marked not the end of the world, but the end of the fifth world. The world is now in a transition stage from the fifth world to the first world, and the next decade is crucial. If humanity chooses negative paths, it could lead to the collapse of civilization as we know it, just as it did in the past. The Mayan civilization, a mysterious ancient culture that once flourished in what is now Mexico and Guatemala. Imagine towering pyramids, intricate carvings and a sophisticated writing system, all created by a civilization that thrived around 2000 BC. They reached their peak between the 9th and 10th centuries AD and left a lasting legacy that still fascinates us today. With their impressive architectural skill, the Mayans built grand temples and castles that still stand as a testament to their artistry. They were also skilled astronomers and mathematicians, creating a complex calendar system that tracked dates and predicted the weather. Religion and social life also played a vital role in the Mayan culture, worshipping multiple gods and believing that natural phenomena like rain, solar eclipses and earthquakes were controlled by them. The Mayan civilization holds a significant place in American history, influencing both residents and archaeologists. Today, their ruins are a popular tourist destination and a window into the past. Join us as we unravel the secrets of the mysterious Mayans and discover the truth behind one of the most advanced ancient civilizations. The Mayan civilization is a complex and fascinating culture that spanned 5 distinct periods and regions. Imagine traveling back in time to the pre-Maya era, where a mysterious civilization began to take shape in the lush jungles of what is now southeastern Mexico around 2000 BC. Next, discover the height of Mayan civilization, between 1000 and 350 BC, where grand pyramids and intricate carvings dotted the landscapes of Mexico and Guatemala. As time passed, the civilization entered a decline, lasting from 350 BC to the 16th century AD, but the legacy of the Mayans lived on through their impressive ruins. Explore the unique Mayan civilization of Guatemala, where important sites like Monte Carlo, Kaufman, and Cacaca reveal a glimpse of their past glory. And finally, the journey to Mexico, where the Mayans left behind a rich legacy at sites like Atlas, Burbacas, and Cruz Catalan. The mysterious disappearance of the highly advanced Maya civilization remains a puzzle to this day. Though theories abound, the true cause of their downfall remains uncertain. It's possible that a combination of resource depletion, environmental degradation, and natural disasters led to the downfall of this once great society. Only the elite class of aristocrats and priests held the knowledge and culture of the Maya, while the commoners and slaves were left in the dark. As resources dwindled and their way of life became unsustainable, even the privileged elite may have been unable to survive. One possible explanation is that the Mayans' rapid development led to cities with population densities rivaling modern metropolises. But their primitive farming methods were unable to sustain such a large population. As resources became scarce and competition for survival grew fierce, the Maya civilization ultimately collapsed. Religion was deeply ingrained in the daily lives of the Maya people. Their elaborate rituals and sacrifices, such as offerings to the god of the sky and prayers for bountiful harvests, were not just mere practices but a way of life for the Mayans. Their religious beliefs also greatly influenced their culture and history, as seen in their stunning architectural, sculptural and painterly masterpieces. But perhaps the most striking aspect of their religion was the practice of human sacrifice. This was not just something limited to the Mayans, it was an integral part of their religious ceremonies. Be it for honoring the dead, offering sacrifices or commemorating important historical events. These ceremonies often involved the killing of selected victims and using their blood as offerings to the gods. These sacrifices, known as blood sacrifice, were believed to bring the Mayans closer to their gods and ancestors, and to ensure a good harvest and social stability. However, this practice is not acceptable in modern society and is a reminder of the cultural and historical context in which it took place. So that's all for this video. For more intriguing news and updates, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.